This could be one of the best collaborations of 2021. The resale prices, probably $1,000 for the hoodie. What is going on, guys? Just your OVO update back again with another video, and today we got a few things to talk about. I know I haven't been on YouTube in quite some time now. I took a bit of a break ever since the Toronto lockdowns. I haven't been able to go anywhere, and honestly the Drake news and OVO news has been super dry recently, especially the OVO drops were not looking too good these past few weeks. So I did decide to take a couple weeks off, but I'm going to steadily get back into the regular uploads. But the main reason I'm filming today's video is because of the Certified Lover Boy Chrome Hearts collection. The first set of photos were leaked by Chubbs yesterday, and then Oliver and then Drake related right after that, all on Sunday. And wow, what can I say, guys? The collection looks absolutely insane, from hoodies to pants and even accessories. So we're gonna get into that. We're gonna talk a bit of the pricing, whether if it's actually gonna come out or not. So guys, let's get right into it. The first photo that we saw was the one that Chubbs leaked, and as soon as it came out, my DMs were absolutely flooded with the sweatpants coming in the red, the navy, and the sort of khaki color, and it looks to be a blue t-shirt. The full collection looks absolutely insane. If you take a look at the details on the cross right there, you can see it says certified going down and then chrome across in the actual cross. I love how they incorporated that logo in the cross, as you can see with the matching hoodie as well. Take a look at the navy set. I love the blue and yellow together, and take a look at the pants. Oliver did make this post as well. I guess Drake actually blessed Oliver with the pants because he posted those as well. Look at those patches, guys. The nice leather patches that everyone loves. Very, very nice. And retail on something like this is not cheap at all. As soon as you start putting those leather options on the clothing, it is going to be a lot of money. The designs are also slightly different throughout the navy, the red, and the khaki. If you look closely, you can see some of the different details, whether it's on the pants or the hoodies. We're going to see that in the next set of photos. But look at the khaki set with the Certified Lover Boy. This is the style that he wore in the What's Next video, with the Certified Lover Boy going around and then the heart and the roses in the middle. And then look at the sleeve. At the very end, we have the CLB logo right there. This is pretty official. This is probably the best, most heat drop we might see in 2021, 100% without a doubt, and it's going to be very hard to get our hands on. Take a look at the blue shirt right there, just a regular t-shirt. It says certified chrome around the logo. Very cool. And we got to talk prices, guys. This stuff is going to be insanely expensive, from the hoodies probably ranging around $500 to $600 US, and the pants probably around the same price. So you're looking at like 1.2 thousand for a sweatsuit. That's crazy, guys. This is going to be an expensive drop, and what leads me to believe it's going to be dropping is that Drake related post. They ended up posting the baby blue hoodie, so I guess the matching hoodie to the t-shirt that we saw previously, and they're all hanged up on a nice rack. I wonder if there's samples while Drake's in LA right now. Maybe he's getting the samples done for the official release. Also want to mention the zippers. The zippers, again, as soon as you start adding these hardware and the leather, the prices just keep going up. So honestly, maybe the $506 estimate might actually be a $700 or $800 price tag. Of course, we also have to talk about the Jade roller right here. As you can see, it says Chrome Heart and a little small CLB logo just below that. Very, very cool. I feel like this is probably going to be a 101 for Drake, maybe. I don't know if they're going to mass produce these, but it is cool to see that nonetheless. So up until they posted yesterday, I thought this was just going to be some sort of friends and family drop. All the crew's going to have it. But after seeing Drake related post it, I don't know what to expect. So definitely stay on the lookout, stay tuned to the channel, because if this stuff comes out, you know we're going to get our hands on it. You know we're going to drop a review. Chrome Hearts never does these collaborations, so to see it with the boy Drake, this could be one of the best collaborations of 2021. And also remember, just because it's a $500-600 hoodie doesn't mean it's not going to sell out. This is going to fly instantly. Everyone and their mothers is going to try and get their hands on this drop, so it's going to be insanely hard to get. And resale prices, probably $1,000 for the hoodie, or maybe even more. Who knows? This shit could be insane. But I honestly just want to come on here to have a discussion with you guys. I want to know what you guys think in the comments down below. And of course, for all the OVO Drake related news, you're going to want to stay posted to the channel. Now I'm going to bring you guys to last week when Murakami dropped the Perrier collaboration in Canada when we went out to the stores to go find it. So I hope you enjoyed the little vlog footage I have of that. And I'm going to come back here and show you what we ended up getting from the collaboration. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're just pulling up to Walmart now. Hopefully they have it. Alright guys, aisle 8, moment of truth. Will they have it? Uh-oh.
Doesn't look like they do.
Uh-oh. And looks like an L. We gotta ask. See you in the back.
Excuse me, quick question. I don't know if you guys have it on the floor yet, but do you guys have these?
20 minutes later.
So a lot of these are sold already.
Yeah. All these with names on it are sold.
2021, we flipping Perrier.
Yeah.
Not shoes. This is actually the first time we've seen this in Canada. US already had the release back in like December, November, but we finally have it here in Canada. So all my Canadians watching, it's our time, guys. Go to Whole Foods and Loblaws and you'll be able to get the collaboration as well. So here is my favorite. Here is the bottles. Very cool. Take a look at the details on the flowers, and also the second bottle, it has the characters on it. Very nice. And here are the cans inside the case. Again, prices on this are the same as a normal can of Perrier. I just thought I'd show these off quickly in the vlog because I've gotten tons of replies on people asking me on my stories where I got this. So Whole Foods, Loblaws, Independent, and also Walmart, that's where I've been going to get these. So let me know if you end up grabbing a pack or bottles in the comments down below. But with that all being said, guys, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I appreciate all the support. Follow me on Instagram and all the links down below. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.